Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this super easy kajal eyeliner look. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so this step is completely optional, but I like doing it because it gives the kajal a nice pop. You can totally skip it if you want. Okay, so I'm starting by applying kajal to my waterline, and if your kajal isn't super pigmented, don't worry, just go in with 2-3 coats. It lasts much better, especially if you have watery eyes. Then I'm applying it just below the waterline or right at the roots of my lower lash line. You can see, keeping this area nice and dark, it really helps define the eyes. Here is the trick that makes eyeliner so much easier. I'm taking an angle brush and picking up some kajal on it and dragging it slightly upwards from the outer corner. This gives me a perfect guide for the wing, and here I'm doing the same exact thing in my inner corner as well. Last but definitely not least, lots of mascara. It makes such a difference. And that is it, you guys. I really hope this tutorial helped you in some way, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to let me know in the comments. I would love to know how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.